Gee, it's kind of early for a load of artichokes to be getting in. Those guys must have made good time coming in from the valley. Looks like the market's going to be busy tonight. I'm glad I decided to walk to work tonight. It's a good night for it. That fresh air feels good. San Francisco always looks swell from up here. There's 1 million people asleep down there now. They probably wouldn't like to work at night. They probably don't know about guys like me who are awake and just going to work. The city's sure growing. I can remember when a lot of those houses weren't there. I guess it's because San Francisco is such a big seaport, one of the biggest in the United States. Biggest on the West Coast, anyway. There's new businesses and factories moving in all the time, and ships moving out all the time, to places like Manila or Singapore, or maybe Australia. Funny thing, I've lived all my life right here between the Pacific Ocean and San Francisco Bay, and I've never been to sea. Yeah, it's a fine night, all right, but I'd better get to work. The wholesale produce market. It's not too busy yet. The trucks are just beginning to roll in. The whole market's only about 4 or 5 city blocks square. To see it at this time of night, you'd hardly know what a big job goes on down here to get fresh food into the city. And people just take it for granted. They never stop to think how their food gets there. Takes a lot of food to feed 1 million people. Thousands of tons of fruit and vegetables every day. Most of it comes in here the night before, and all of it gets handled by a few hundred people. People like lumpers to unload it off the trucks, porters to move it off the curb, people to buy it and people to sell it. It takes a lot of teamwork to run the market. Each wholesale house has a floor manager like Charlie here to keep track of the shipments and to tell us what he wants done next. Me, I'm a lumper. A lumper's a guy who unloads the produce off the trucks. During the night, I work different places, depending on where the trucks have to be unloaded. But I usually start out at the house where my friend Al, the porter, works. Say hello, find out what's new. Of course, no matter how early you come in, there's always some trucker in early to beat the rush.
Hey, Elmer! You working in this market or ain't you?
Come on, I ain't got all night.
Oh, keep your shirt on.
Al and I have worked together for years. He likes his job and I like mine. Nobody's watching over us to see how we do our job. We know what has to be done and we do it. It takes more than muscle to move produce all night. You've got to know how. The old-timers know the best ways to lift and handle crates of food and how to work together. Sometimes a load comes in that has to be moved into the house right away. When that happens, the porters have to keep moving, and they beef when they have to wait for a stack of crates. So it's fun once in a while to get together with the trucker and stack up the crates so fast that the porter gets so busy moving the stuff in, he doesn't realize that half the market's laughing at him. Looks like this is Al's night for it. Good old Al.